Good morning, students. Today we are going for chapter 8 India Location and Physical Features. You know that India, with a total area about 3,287,263 square kilometers, and almost it is the seventh largest country in the world in reference of total area. The country is not too large as it has only 2.42% of the total land area of the world. Some of the countries which are larger than India, they are Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. Russia is the largest country in the world. You know that India is also known as Republic of India. It is the official name of India. When India got independent in 15th August 1947, after that, the proposal given by the Jawaharlal Nehru, he was the Prime Minister of that time, and he said that if Indians they get democracy of freedom, India become a republic. And in 1950, this is in our constitution, Republic on India, and it is celebrated as 26th January. Location and extent of India. India is located in the south part of Asia, and which is the largest continent in the world. There are Lakshadweep and the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal near India. The main land of India extends from about here 8 degree north to 37 degree north latitudes. And when we are going to the longitudinal point, that is 68 degree east and 97 degree east longitude. It means that the total area from the north to south extent, it is 3,200 kilometer, and from east to west it extends 2,900 kilometer. The Tropic of Cancer is passed through the middle of the country India. So you know that this is the Tropic of Cancer line which is passing away or midpoint from India. India have the coastal lines also, and I show you now in this part there is the Arabian Sea, and this is the part where is the Bay of Bengal, and you know that the name of the India, it also have the ocean which is known as Indian Ocean. Southmost tip for the whole country is the Indra Point in India. So I show you about importance of the Indra Point, because here which is in the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal, and it has also the Cape of Comorin or Kanyakumari in the state of Tamil Nadu. This is the Kanyakumari, and here it is lies in the Tamil Nadu. Now lower part of India, there is a country, it is Sri Lanka, and bulk of state that is separating to the India and the Sri Lanka. The longitudinal east to west extent of India is about 30 degree, and there is the standard meridian which is passing away from the Allahabad 82 1 by 2 degree east, and it is known as the selected standard meridian for India. Now India is ahead 5 hours and 30 minutes from the Greenwich Mean Time GMT. Political division of India. We got independence in 15th August 1947. India was divided into 562 small states. Now in this table you have to be seen 29 states you have to be seen and 7 union territory of India. But present time there is the 28 states and 9 union territories in India. Now here Andhra Pradesh you have to be seen about its capital Hyderabad, like same Bihar, Patna, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, and Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and Union Territory Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair, Chandigarh, here Daman and Diu, that is the Daman. You know that the largest state in India, that is the Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state, and Uttar Pradesh have the highest density. It means there is large number of the population live in Uttar Pradesh, and the largest number of the district it is in the Uttar Pradesh. And the union territories are small scattered areas governed by the central government. And states there is the chief ministers and it is governed by the chief minister, but overall in the hand of the central government. Now physical division of India, when we are going to describe about the physical division, here some of the neighboring country like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, China, these are the neighboring country of India. And in this map you have to be seen numbers of the neighboring country. Here Pakistan ahead here in the western part of India. Now China in northeastern part, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar. These are the neighboring country of India. India is big country and has a great variety of physical relief features. It has the young fold mountains and the flat and the plains area. Now, the India is divided into the 5 physical features: northern mountains, which is Himalayas, northern plains, peninsular plateau, Thar desert, and the coastal plains area. So here in this picture you have to be seen in this map. I show you brown colors which are indicating the Jammu Kashmir, and the others part it is the northern mountains. Green color, this is the plains area. It means number of the rivers and soils are fertile like Uttar Pradesh. Assam, these are in the mountains area. Now here which are in the white colors, that is showing the desert region like Rajasthan, and here some part of the Gujarat which is good for the coastal type of the soils are there, and this is also known as the plains area. And some of the coastal plains area you have to be seen in the windward side and the eastern part of India. It is lies in the southwestern part here, and it is the southeastern part of India. It is the face of the Tamil Nadu, and this is the face of the Kerala. Northern mountains and the Himalayas. A large number of high mountain ranges radiate in direction from the Pamir North which toward north of the Indian subcontinent, and this chain is made up the Hindu Kush in the east and Karakoram and the Himalayas in the west. These are young fold mountain, especially Hindu Kush, Karakoram and the Mount Himalayas.